So we're introducing Momentum, and this is PowerShop built from the ground up, version 2, and it's going to integrate seamlessly with both Marketo and Eloqua. So when you approve an email, it will go directly into those platforms. We're saying that Momentum is a driver for adoption, collaboration, and ROI. It's that tool that enables your field marketers to build emails in a controlled manner, and then once they're approved, they'll go across to marketing automation automatically. We're trying to make email easier for everyone. So imagine I'm a central marketer. This is me as a central marketer, and I'm having a good day. I'm starting to receive content in a number of different forms, and I can manage this because this is only coming from one marketer. But throughout the day, I start to receive content across the phone, across email, across forms, and I'm starting to get a bit stressed, actually, because I've not got time to load it into the system. As the day goes on, I start to make mistakes. I start to miss things across all these different channels. And gradually, even I'm no longer enjoying marketing automation. And I'm supposed to be the person who's selling this vision. We built Momentum to solve this problem, to bring extra adoption to marketing automation. So let's go through some of the features then. So we've revolutionized the build request process. We have built a system that enables field marketers to build their own emails, so the central team don't have to manage lots of different documents. We built a system that enables them to build those emails with basically no training. If they can use Microsoft Word, they can use this tool. And what that means is that the central team are freed up to work on the stuff that will really drive your business forward. They're freed up to work on marketing, campaigns that are going to better the whole organization. We've also built, as you can imagine, an extremely powerful email editor. This email editor is context aware. So if I click on an image, I get controls to only change that image. I don't have to go through menus and menus. If I click on a link, I can change just that link. And everything within the platform we've tried to make to your organization. So it's your templates, your fonts, your colors. The people in your teams will only be able to use your brand colors, and that's really important because it means that the emails are much more likely to be correct first time. We've also added in an approvals process because at Clevertouch, we build a lot of emails and we know how important it is to make sure that those emails go out to quality. Because unlike other mediums, like a tweet, you can't just delete an email from someone's inbox, not at this kind of scale. So what we've built in is an approvals process. So a field marketer will request that their email needs to be approved, and once it's approved, it'll get automatically built into marketing automation. Ooh, I don't remember those colors happening. That's new. So doesn't look like that. So what we've built into the platform, because at Clevertouch we have lots and lots of experience building emails, we know how difficult the amends process can be. We hate working with annotated PDFs, and we hate working with Word documents that try and describe where amends are. So we built this process, and actually we're standardizing this process inside the tech team too, for us to use. And it's a new amends process. And you can click, so what this allows you to do is you can click anywhere on an email, and you can add an amend to that, as if you're using pen and paper and you're drawing. You also get notified instantly where an amend is added to an email that you've been working on. And as a user, I get a to-do list to work through. So I'm not having to jump over to an email to try and find my to-dos and cross them off as I go. I get my to-do list, and as soon as that to-do list is done, I can ask for my manager to approve it again. Looks much less orange than that normally. And we know that the best types of content gets created by teams, and we want you to work together in teams in this platform. I'll cover that again in just a moment. But we have an integrated comment system and chat system on every one of the amends that get placed so that your team can focus on exactly what they need to focus on at any one time. We don't want people to miss communications in instant messenger or email. We want people to keep coming back to this because this is the platform they know where they need to build emails. And we want it to be as easy for your organization to onboard on as possible. So we built in teams. That enables you to create teams for every single different type of team within your organization. So you can have a UK marketing team, you can have a US marketing team. Completely up to you how you set the platform up. But what defines them is, one, they can communicate with each other, no problem whatsoever. And 2, you can choose which templates should be assigned to those teams. So if you've got one team trying to promote shoes and another team trying to promote bags, they don't have to see each other's templates. Unless you want them to, then they can. And finally, every time that a critical action happens in the platform, we let you know via email. And that email always gives you a link back into the platform at exactly where you need to action this thing. So whether it's a comment has been added on your email, or whether someone wanted to get in touch with you directly through the integrated app messaging system. You might have an app messaging system in something like Slack that you might use, or Skype. Enables you to communicate to people directly. So this gives you a link directly back into the platform whenever you need to action something. So why might you want to bring momentum into your organization? Hopefully I've already covered a lot of these, but it empowers field marketers whilst maintaining quality and control. Meaning you have control over your marketing automation platform. You're putting in steps to mitigate that risk. It enables rapid AMA adoption because there's basically no training that's needed to get into momentum. Driving key stakeholder satisfaction. Your team can send out emails so much quicker because you need less people fully trained up on the platform. And it saves time on the email creation and approvals process. And now we've got the amends process in there. It's going to actually improve the way that your emails are built within marketing automation. And it's a collaborative platform so that your teams can work better together. And they know exactly where to go to build an email.